Okay, this is part 4 of the video, and part 4 we do question 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 is the last question for this guided project. Okay, we have finished question 16 where you do the sum product for the total value at cost. Question 17, you're going to do the sum product for the total value every day, which is here every day. But here, instead of using the function wizard, we're going to key in the function and the arguments directly. So we're going to type in the sum product function. Okay, click on cell D23. Okay, this is D23. Then we're going to key in equal to sum. So you come here, you say equal to SUMP. Right, SUMP. The closest function you can find is sum product. You can type sum product in full, or you can press the tab key to let Excel fill for us the full name. So I do a tab key, say sum product, and also include for us the left bracket. Right. So the first thing we do is we will tell Excel where is your area 1 for this D23. Area 1 is your select cell D6 to D20, which is this one. D6 here all the way to D20. Okay, now this is D6 D20 because we are calculating total value of retail. So this is retail. Then you have to put a comma so that the Excel asks what is area 2. Area 2 is a quantity. So quantity is basically F6 to F20. So you this F6 to F20. Alright, and then you press enter. Okay, press enter means you key on this one, press enter. Alright, press enter, or you can press enter key, the same. You just click this one, it tells us it is 588.29. Alright, 528.29. Then they say format cells D22, D23 as currency, and press the Control plus key. Okay, now this really formatted currency, D7, but never mind, we can select both of them, and you can actually go to home, select currency. Alright, so we get currency, and say press Control Home. Okay, Control Home on your keyboard probably cannot find home key. So Control means you just simply go to your this one, A1. We'll cursor to A1. That's Control. Okay, A1. Or here actually you click here, A1. Alright, A1 is your home. Okay, so we finished 17 now to 18. 18 is to use the PMT or payment function. So we will click on the payments tab, and what we do is we go to use a PMT function to calculate if you borrow $500 at 2.75 interest per year, and you are going to pay over 24 months, i.e. 2 years, how much you have to pay per month. Okay, we calculate for this, and we calculate for those where your interest is 3.25%. Alright, so you click on B6, and then you go to the formula tab. Okay, formula tab here, and under financial here, we look for PMT. You come down here, this is PMT. Okay, PMT down here, PMT. Don't click PPMT, just PMT. PMT. Alright, PMT will ask you for several arguments. The rate, okay, this is rate here. Click on here, rate. Rate for this one is 2.75% per year. So you enter 2.75. Remember to key in percent. And then since 2.75% is for a year, we are paying in month. We are paying in month, so we say divide by 24. Okay, 24 because 2 years financing, there are 24 months. So this is what you say. Sorry, they are by 12 because this not 24, by 12. Alright, because there are 12 months in the year. This is the interest rate per year, so divide by 12. Okay, 2.75% divided by 12. Alright, so next one is MP, number of period. Number of period here is number of period that we want to repay. In this case, you enter 24. Why? Because we are paying over 2 years, so you type in 24. Right, 24. Right. Now PV is actually the value that we borrow. So in this case is this one. Is your A6. Now A6, because we are going to use the formula to copy to this and this, so we're going to press the F4 function key F4. Press 1, it turn into wholly extra address, which is down here. Press F4, you get the first one, $A, $6. You press F4 again, press F4 again, you get A, $6, and then you press F4 more time until you get A, $6. Now A, $6 means what? Means that when you copy to the rest, your A will always remain constant. Alright, A will be constant, always A constant. Whether you are here or here, A is constant because it's a $sign. 6 is relative. So if you are in the next cell, this becomes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so A is very constant, your column is constant, but your row will vary depending on which amount you're borrowing. Okay, so the future value, leave it blank. Type, okay, is when do you pay? Beginning of the month or end of the month? You are paying beginning, you type in 1. At the end, you type 0. So in this case, we go to type 1 because you're paying beginning of the month. Alright, so you type 1 here. Okay, under type, you say 1. Okay, and it tell you $21.38. Alright, it is down here. You look carefully here. Okay, it gives us 21.39. So we come here, 21.39, we say okay. So this is, if you borrow $500 at 2.75 interest and you pay over 2 years, you got to pay 21.39. Now this is in grade and bracket because this is a negative figure you are paying. This is positive. This is borrow. This is what you pay. Okay. Then it says copy the formula to cell B7 to B11. Okay, so we have come here. We copy all the way down. All right. Now what here it says that $A6 is mixed and the rate and MP values that you type are excellent. So okay, what you do is if you look at the formula here, this one is $A6, this become $A7, now with this value. Alright, so we finished 18, so now we go to 19. 19 is you copy here and then you edit and make sure that it works. So we go to copy B6 to C6. So you come here, copy this, okay, copy to B6. Okay, copy the mouse the same. Why? Because you're copying the same formula. So what is different now is that your interest is 3.25%. So we're going to change the interest. So here it says select C6 and click the insert function button on the formula bar. Okay, where's the insert function? Okay, this is insert function. Formula bar, this is the insert function, this is fx. Okay, you click this insert function, you bring out the wizard for the function. So we find that these interests have changed, so we're going to change this interest rate. You press delete, and now we are going to say 3.25% divided by 12. Okay, so the rest remain the same, and your at this 3.25% interest, you're going to pay 21.49. You're going to pay more because the interest rate gone up. So we say okay. All right, so this is what you get. And so we change the value to 3.25%, and you are paying 21.49, which is and say copy the cell to C7 and C11. So we just copy it down. So that's payment. All right. Okay, the next question is question 20. Question 20, we're going to use the today function. The today function is give the current date on the cell that you specify. Okay, so you go to A14, or this is A14. Okay, this is A14, and then we're going to key in the today function. So what you do is just simply say type equal to 2. Okay, TO2. Right. Once you do that, you find that the real match Excel can find is today. So you either type the word today in full, or you just press the tab key on the keyboard. The tab key, okay, will tell you today. Then tab and press enter. So you press enter here. Okay, this is the function is today. Excel will include the right bracket for us. Now today, this is the today is 4/19/2020. If you are going to do it tomorrow, it will become 4/20/20. Today is basically the current date based on the date you open the file. All right. So because this is actually linked to the date of the computer, so since I'm doing on the 19th of April, it is 4/19. This is American date. Okay, if you want to kind of change this to a different format, you can come here and say, okay, select this cell, right click, and you say format cells. Right, format cells. Format cells give you a lot of choice. So what we do is we want format as a date. Okay, so date. Okay, what date do you want? Okay, the closest we can find here of Singapore will be something like this. I don't know. Okay, this is one. The day, month, year. Alright, so when I select this become 19 April 20. So we click OK. So now this become 19 April 20. This is closest to the format we use in Singapore. Okay, so this is your question 20, and we are now down to the last question. Save and close the oboe. Okay, this is easiest done by just simply click on this. Click on this, close, and remember to say save. You don't save, you lose everything. So save. Okay, so this is what we do. We save. Okay, I'm saving it under this one. TKT Excel 2.1. Okay, I open it up and see whether I get back on my work or not. Alright, this is what we have. Okay, so I'm correct. I look at my all the other folder. Okay, these are correct. This insurance. Okay, this is my insurance. This is my pharmacy. Okay, so mine is correct. I can close it.